Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard once again. Today I have a new product. It's the Skyreat Anamorphic Filter for GoPro Hero 9 and 10. Right here is the 10 and I'm super curious to test this out because, you know, blue hour, you're doing a cinema shots, there are car headlights, sources of light like street lamps, stuff like that. I'm very curious if I can get that anamorphic flare. It's very cool and I don't know, let's test this out and see how it works. But before I do that, let's unbox it. So, super small box right here, and of course, as always, I already opened, so I know inside there is a very nice pouch, carrying pouch. I didn't expect this, and also it smells like super new. Let's open the pouch. Boom! You don't get much actually. You get a cleaning cloth right here and the filter itself in some foam down here, as you can see. Yeah. Let's not make it fall because it's very heavy. Yeah, and you can see the anamorphic filter in all its beauty. And that's all actually for the unboxing. It's time to mount it on the GoPro and try it out. To mount an accessory to your GoPro is gonna be very easy. You just pinch it very tight, the lens, and you twist it. Boom! Comes off and you're ready to attach whatever attachment you want. So you just go like this and twist. Boom! The anamorphic filter is attached, and now you need to change the settings inside your GoPro, because if you use the wider angle of view you're gonna see the border of the filter, so you need to crop in a little bit, but the filter is wide angle, so it's not really cropping in, you just lose a little bit of resolution, it's not that bad. So let's turn on the GoPro so I can show you what I mean. You can actually see the borders of the anamorphic filter. We are in 4/3, so it's the way we shoot FPV videos, you know, 4/3 and then re-steady, or Gyroflow stretches it back to 16:9. But basically, if you just go here and put it into linear mode, it crops in a little bit and you lose the borders. You don't see anything anymore. The image is very compressed, so you are actually having a wide angle field of view. One thing to keep in mind with this filter is I don't advise using any kind of internal hyper-smooth stabilization. If you're gonna shoot handheld, maybe it's better to use a gimbal or have it steady on a surface. If you wanna really use it, you need to move very slowly, because if you turn fast, the stabilization is gonna show the border of the filter and it's gonna ruin your shot. And guess what? Drones turn quite fast, so you're gonna see the border many times and really ruin your shot. And Skyreat told me about this and they were like, this is not gonna work great on FPV drones. But, there is a but, we have Gyroflow and they don't know about that. So basically what I did is I made a profile for the linear lens profile and this filter on. And it's not perfect, but it works good enough for me. It gives you a 16:9 stabilized video and it looks nice. You can download it in the description, and also while you're there, remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Let me know if you're interested about anamorphic filters for GoPro. And also, if you're better than me, probably some of you are, make a better profile and share with us. It will help everybody and we advance, you know. So, without further ado, I'm gonna slap this on a drone and show you here during the day, and also I have some recorded footage during the night. It's very pitch dark in here at night, so yeah, I need to find some place to film better night shots, but let's go. I am at night, my hair is super wet because I just went swimming basically, but I took the opportunity to fly over that bridge with those floodlights, and my idea was basically I'm gonna take this anamorphic filter and fly over there to maximize, you know, the lens flaring, the blue lens flaring, and I just watched the video and they show up. I don't know how it's gonna be stabilized, but even not stabilized is very good and very stable with the Mark V from Gepard C. And that should give you an idea of this filter. I'm gonna just roll the footage with some music and you will get your idea if you like it or not. I think it's pretty neat, but GoPros are not very light sensitive, and the filter shines when there are lights to streak, you know. So in a studio, yeah, it's good. In a controlled environment, it's good. On a gimbal, on a drone, if your shot is in a very bright environment like a stadium, like something like that, is gonna be amazing. But here I live in very, as you can see, dark towns, and it's hard to find lights. But you get the idea. As always, check out the links down in the description. Remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Let me know what you think about this filter, because I actually like it and I will try to use it in some shots. And as always, stay safe and happy flying. Bye!